Hi friends, welcome to Victor's Reality. Today we're going to be playing Days Gone, a backwards compatible title from the PlayStation 4 on the PlayStation 5. Currently it does support 60 frames per second for added fluidity compared to the PS4 version. We're going to skip through some cutscenes and some gameplay so we can see how it looks here on the Dell S3220DGF running a backwards compatible PS4 game on the PlayStation 5. Now I have never played this game. I bought this game when it came out, but I never played it. I guess I'm just caught with so many games coming out and I just have to pick and choose. So my backlog is humongous. But let's check this game out. So this is my first go through, at least in this video. But right away, the cutscenes look amazing. Everything is super clear.
We were going out hunting tonight anyway. Crazy Willie's as good a place as any. Okay.
And it's running at 60 frames per second, you can tell. I do know on the PS4 Pro it ran at 30 frames. The trees are blowing, the rain is coming down. The graphics look really good. And also again showing here that the PlayStation 5 can display a 4K 60Hz signal on the Dell S3220DGF. So all these games will look beautiful at 4K 60Hz. I do have it at RGB full just because I want that added contrast. But look at the graphics. Everything looks clear and beautiful. This is the perfect way to play your PlayStation 4 games if you haven't played them. But look at that. This Dell can handle the PlayStation 5, the PlayStation 5's 4K signal with ease, and it's just an amazing value that you get from this monitor.
Saw a setup like this a couple days ago. A bunch of rippers blocked the road with an old truck.
Come on, help me move it.
Oh, wow, these graphics are beautiful. Oh, okay, so I have to move the truck. So I guess he's a biker gang.
Ready?
Yep.
Push!
He has a tattoo all over his head. So, oh my gosh. Alright, we're gonna fight. Oh man, they're trying to mug me. What you do? Okay, man. This is, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. That's crazy. Oh. Okay, oh my goodness, this is awesome. Oh man. Sorry guys, this is crazy. I'm usually an Xbox guy, but I do, oh my goodness, oh. Man, what a way to go.
Come on. We're almost there.
I'm usually an Xbox guy, as I usually prefer to play there, but I do have all the Sony systems and the games, and man, what have I been missing out on? Here, let's go look at the rain. See, the PS4 does have ray tracing. Oh, wow, these graphics are beautiful, and that's the whole point here, to show that the Dell S3220DGF, you can even see the rain. You see how it gets brighter when they were the patch of rain? That was rain. That wasn't light. That was rain. That's awesome. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful and entertaining, please leave a like, share, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on that notification bell so you never miss out on a future PlayStation 5 video. Don't forget to leave comments down below if there's a game you want to see on the PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5 or Series X or Xbox One X. Leave a comment down below, and if I have it, I'll get to it to show on any of my monitors here on the channel. But anything that helps you make an awesome buying decision, that's what this channel's for. Thanks guys, I'll see you guys next time.